Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to build a Tesla Cybertruck in LEGO 2K Drive. First, choose a sturdy, wide chassis to begin your build. We recommend a base plate of at least 6 by 10 studs to ensure ample space. Next, attach 4 robust off-road wheels, positioning them at the corners for a strong stance. This initial setup provides the essential foundation for your Cybertruck, giving it the necessary width and ground clearance. Ensure all connections are firm for a stable and durable vehicle. Now, let's focus on the Cybertruck's unique angular body. Begin by layering large, flat gray wedge plates to form the main structure. Pay close attention to the front and rear, angling them sharply at about 45 degrees to mimic the real vehicle's design. Incorporate 2x4 sloped bricks to create those iconic, crisp lines. This step is crucial for capturing the Cybertruck's futuristic and robust aesthetic, making it instantly recognizable on the track. Next, we'll add the essential details that bring your Cybertruck to life. For the windows, use dark, transparent bricks to give it that signature armored look. A flat 2x8 plate works perfectly for the roofline, maintaining the vehicle's low profile. Don't forget the lighting. Small 1x1 round plates in white and red make excellent headlights and taillights. These small additions significantly enhance the overall realism and character of your LEGO Cybertruck. Finally, let's complete the interior and prepare for action. Position a single-seat brick centrally for the driver, ensuring a clear view. A small steering wheel accessory adds a nice touch, making the cockpit feel complete. Once all parts are in place, take your newly built Cybertruck for a spin in LEGO 2K Drive. Test its handling, speed, and durability across various terrains. Enjoy cruising in your custom-built, one-of-a-kind vehicle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.